All right, so for my problem, I got problem number 5, and it states a model for the number of blankets sold in the t minus th week of the year can be modeled by a periodic function, b of t, where b is measured in thousands of blankets. The maximum number of blankets sold is 57,000 in the 43rd week of the year, and the minimum number of blankets sold is 13,000 in the 17th week of the year. Use the information to write a model for the number of thousands of blankets sold in the t minus th week of the year. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is find the maximum and minimum value. To find those, we come up here in the reading and it's 13,000 and 57,000, but we don't use those numbers because they're talking in thousands of blankets. So it'd be 57 and 13. Next, get the amplitude, take the maximum minus the minimum, divided by 2. Here's the work shown, and we get 22. The average value is the max plus the minimum. Or divided by 2, here's the work, and we get 35. The period, we find the period by completing a full cycle, but in this scenario it would be 52. And to do that, you 2 times the distance between the max and the minimum. The horizontal shift is a cycle from where the cycle starts at x equals 0, right here on the graph, and it is negative 30. So we use all these numbers up top to fill in A, B, C, and D. So for A, it's the same as the amplitude, 22, same as up here. For B, it's 2 pi over the period, which is 52, equals pi over 26. For C, it's the horizontal shift times B, which is up here. We get negative 15 pi over 13. And D is the same as the average value up here, 35. Here's the graph for the function. Got 57 for the max, 13 for the minimum. The average value at 35 across the middle on a dotted line. The highlighter is the period or the full cycle. And down here is the horizontal shift, showing you at 30 where it starts. It's a little off, but right here where it starts. And it'd be negative 30 because it's going back to 0. So we put all these numbers into the function f of x equals a sin bx plus c plus d, and we get f of x equals 22 sin pi over 26 x minus 15 pi over 13 plus 35 as our final answer.